Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric. This is going to be an unboxing of the Atmoko hair clipper. And what's so special about this? This is a wireless rechargeable hair clipper set. So it has a lithium-ion battery built into it. You don't have to plug this in, which is definitely more convenient for cutting hair. It has 5 hours of usage. It has an R-shaped, and it has 10 color-coded combs as far as various lengths. Some other features of it you can see here on the side is a 4-level adjustable taper level, 10 guided combs, and 2500 mAh lithium-ion battery. On the other side over here, also low noise, has a LED display so you can see exactly how much battery you have left, and of course it's cordless. Looking on the back here, about 5 hours of usage on a full charge with an LED display to show you how much you have left. It has a 6,000 RPM high efficiency motor, so it has a really strong motor to do a good job with cutting hair, and lifetime sharp blades, ultra sharp blades, so that they can cut through hair without any pulling or anything. So those are the features. Let's open this up and see what we have inside. Of course, you've got your user manual, so you'll know how to use this properly. And then here is everything else. Let's look at the accessories, and then we'll look at the main event. You do have a nice velvet bag to keep it all in. You've got your charging cord, and it is USB, so you can plug this into any USB charger, as well as a computer USB or anything like that in order to charge it. That's how you charge the clippers up. You've got a pair of barber scissors to use in case you need that. You've got your little cleaning brush to clean the blades, clean all the little hairs out of the blades. And you've got a barber's comb to use as well. And you've got all these different sizes of clipper guards from number 1 to number 10, I'm guessing goes to. That's a number 3. And they are color coded. It's a number 4. And they also tell you what that is. So number 4, what is that? Well, it's 13 millimeters or 1/2 inch. So you know exactly. It has both metric as well as imperial, so you'll know exactly what that is if you're not familiar with the numbering system. And it goes all the way up to, that's number 8. Let's see, I think number 8 may be the highest. Yeah, so it goes from a number 1, that's in your number 1. And they're color coded, so once you've done this once or twice, you can just look for the one that's the right color. I love that because the clippers I've had before, not only were they not cordless, but also everything was black. So it was always a chore trying to find, generally we use the 1, the 2, and the 3, and trying to find those always took a little while. But now, because of the color codes, I'll just know, look for the red one, that's number 1. Look for the purple, that's number 2. So that'll be easy. And then they also include, besides those, they also include the let's see, this one is the right ear taper, and this one is the left ear taper. So you've got the two, the left and right ear taper. As you can see, they start longer and go shorter. So those are included in there as well. Let's now take a look at the star of the show, the main event, and that's these clippers. Nice clipper. It's like a good size. Feels good in the hand, not too heavy though, even though it does have that battery in there. It's not heavy, it's fairly lightweight, not really any heavier than the clippers I've been using, which are not cordless rechargeable, so that's cool. And you've got your switches here, you've got your blade here. You do have a guard that goes on there, so you've got a guard to guard the blades. And these are the blades. You can see you can adjust the blades. So besides using those guards, you have an adjustable length of the blade itself as well. So that's great. And your display is going to be right in there. And yeah, so that is everything that comes in the box. Again, it's by Atmoko. Looks to be a really excellent set of hair clippers. And you get all the sizes you need. You get the guard, you get the comb, you get the scissors, the charging cord, the cleaning brush, the bag to keep it all in, as well as the manual. And that is everything that comes in the box. That's going to be it for the unboxing video. Favorite this playlist or subscribe to my channel to keep up with future product reviews, as I will be doing a full demo and full detailed review later on once I get a chance to put these to use. So stay tuned for that. If you have any questions, you can post them in the comments below, but of course a lot of those will probably be answered in that full demo and review video in the future. Don't forget to share this video with anyone you think who might be interested in it. And yes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can keep up with all my videos. That's going to be it until next time. So be safe and be happy.